Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered why money always seems to slip away, no matter how hard you work or how much you try to save? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the real reasons why money keeps running from you, and how you can finally turn the tables to make it chase you instead. From mindset shifts to practical financial habits, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. So hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's break the cycle, for good. Ever feel like no matter how hard you work or how much you plan, money always seems to slip through your fingers? Many people struggle to attract and retain wealth, believing it's just bad luck, poor circumstances, or lack of opportunity. But what if the real reason money keeps running from you isn't external, it's internal? What if it has more to do with your beliefs, mindset, and habits than your job title or bank balance? This comprehensive guide will break down the reasons why money seems to evade you and provide actionable steps to reverse the pattern. By the end, you'll understand how to shift your thinking, align your habits with abundance, and turn money into a faithful ally instead of a fleeting acquaintance. Chapter 1. The Psychology of Money. 1. Your money mindset. Your relationship with money is largely dictated by your mindset. If you grew up hearing phrases like, money doesn't grow on trees, or rich people are greedy, those beliefs likely shaped your financial behavior. 2. Scarcity versus abundance thinking. People operating from a scarcity mindset view money as limited. They hoard, fear spending, or avoid taking risks. Abundance thinkers, on the other hand, see money as a tool that flows freely and can be multiplied. This shift in thinking is foundational to making money chase you. 3. Money scripts. These are unconscious beliefs developed in childhood. Common scripts include, I'm not good with money. I'll never be rich. If I have money, others will take it. Identifying and rewriting these scripts is the first step to financial freedom. Chapter 2. Self-sabotage and financial blockages. 1. Fear of success. It may sound strange, but many people fear the responsibility that comes with wealth. They subconsciously push money away to stay in their comfort zone. 2. Guilt and worthiness. If you don't believe you deserve wealth, you'll find ways to lose it. Guilt over having more than others or low self-worth can silently sabotage your finances. 3. Procrastination and avoidance. Avoiding budgeting, ignoring bills, or putting off financial planning are all symptoms of deeper emotional issues tied to money. Chapter 3. The Energy of Money. 1. Money is a mirror. Money reflects your internal state. If you're anxious, disorganized, or negative, your finances will often mirror that chaos. 2. Vibrational alignment. According to the law of attraction, what you put out energetically attracts similar energy. To attract wealth, you must align your vibration with abundance, through gratitude, intention, and inspired action. 3. Gratitude and flow. Gratitude raises your frequency. When you're thankful for what you have, no matter how small, you invite more blessings. Gratitude creates flow. Fear creates blockage. Chapter 4. Habits that repel money. 1. Living beyond your means. Spending more than you earn, even in small ways, creates debt and stress. It signals a lack of control and foresight. 2. Neglecting financial education. If you don't take time to understand money, how it works, grows, and behaves, you'll always be at its mercy. 3. Disorganization. Unpaid bills, forgotten subscriptions, and lost financial records are all signs of a chaotic money environment. Chapter 5. Habits that attract wealth. 1. Budgeting and tracking. Knowing where your money goes is empowering. Use tools, apps, or simple spreadsheets to track every dollar. 2. Investing in yourself. Courses, books, coaching, and personal development pay exponential dividends over time. 3. Multiple streams of income. Wealthy people rarely rely on one income source. Start with side hustles, passive income, or freelance work. 4. Paying yourself first before you spend on anything else. Allocate a portion of your income to savings or investments. This builds the habit of prioritizing your future. Chapter 6. Rewiring your money beliefs. 1. Affirmations and visualization. Repeat positive money affirmations daily. Visualize your financial goals with clarity and emotion. 2. Educate and empower yourself. Knowledge breaks fear. Read personal finance books, listen to wealth-building podcasts, and engage with money mentors. 3. Let go of limiting beliefs. Write down the negative beliefs you hold about money. Challenge them. Replace them with empowering truths. Chapter 7. Building Wealth the Smart Way. 1. The power of compounding. Start investing early, even in small amounts. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to growing wealth. 2. Automation. Automate your savings, investments, and bills. This removes emotion and builds consistency. 3. Delayed gratification. Learn to say no to short-term pleasures for long-term gain. This single habit separates the wealthy from the broke. Chapter 8. Making money work for you. 1. Shift from earner to owner. Don't just trade time for money. Own assets that produce income. Stocks, real estate, businesses. 2. Create value. Money follows value. The more people you help, the more money you attract. Focus on solving problems and serving others. 3. Think long-term. Short-term wins are great, but real wealth comes from long-term strategy and patience. Chapter 9. The spiritual side of wealth. 1. Money is a tool, not a goal. When you stop worshiping money and start seeing it as a tool for impact and freedom, you align with its true purpose. 2. Generosity and tithing. Give freely, and you'll receive in unexpected ways. Generosity creates a flow that keeps money circulating in your life. 3. Trust the process. Wealth building takes time. Trust that your efforts are planting seeds, even if you don't see immediate results. Money doesn't run from you because it hates you. It runs because of the signals you're sending through your thoughts, actions, and beliefs. But the moment you shift your mindset, align with abundance, and act with intention, money will stop running and start chasing you. This isn't magic, it's a mindset. It's a way of life. And it's available to you starting now. Remember, money is energy, and the way you think, feel, and act around it determines whether it runs from you or runs to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on wealth, mindset, and success. Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway, or your next money goal. Until next time, go make money chase you.